this. Beautiful morning. Let's go. Look at the nephew. Nephew's gonna catch a big bass today. Woo! Put it in.
Okay.
No, that's a sand bass. Put it in. Yes, sir. Look at that. First fish
Nice
of the
little
morning.
fatty.
You got me. You win. Nice.
Woo!
Take it up. All right, release it.
That's a good start.
That's cool. Yeah, sir. First fish,
Woo!
fucker. Go, fool. Go, 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 go. Come on.
Oh,
In.
Whoa. That's a fat boy, dude.
Hell yeah.
That's a fat boy.
Release. That one's nice. Pound and a half. There it is. My first fish. Damn, nephew's winning. 2-1. But got the skunk off of my back. Yes.
Holy shit, dude.
Yeah,
That's
look at
a
that.
fucking big one.
Woo. On the drop, baby.
Woo.
Micro jig. Damn. Look at this, baby. On the drop, micro jig. 2-pound sand bass. It's about,
Instantly.
it's only like 14 inches, right? 15 inches or so. Mwah. Catch you later, baby girl. Oh, what is it? What is it? Bring it this way. Swing it this way. Whoa. Oh, it's a mackerel. Big one too. Holy shit. That's bait on the micro jig. What?
Yeah, you go.
Dude, it's a barred Sargo, dude. I
Dude,
think,
never-
huh?
That's a fatty, dude.
Fucking croaking.
Let me get a good
Look how big this sucker is, dude.
grill that thing.
Look at this shit's fat, dude.
You get a picture of that thing too.
I don't know, it's croaking. Later. Chunky sand bass. Catch you later, baby. Damn.